Be private, accept the loneliness, and fix your life. No one is coming to save you. When you are lonely, you don't tell everyone your problems. You can see that you can fix your life to go back in order. When you are telling everyone your problems, other people, they are enjoying to see you are struggling in life, and they don't give you ideas to fix your life. So you have to be careful, guys, when you are telling people your problems. You have to be private. Don't tell everyone what you are planning in your life, because once you tell everyone what you are planning in your life, either it's your relatives or it's your family, you know that your sister can be jealous of you, of what you are planning. Your sister or your brother knows that what you plan nowadays, you are going to another level of life. Other people are very jealous. That's why you see everything you are doing in life. If you are planning to do it, sometimes it can fail when you are telling people. But when you are very private, you don't tell people what you are planning in your life, you can see that it is going to be successful. Be private, be lonely. Sometimes you can see that maybe your future can be changed, or maybe your things can be changed. Even about marriage, about your relationship, it's not everything we are telling people about your marriage, about your relationship. You have to be private. Fix your life alone, not to tell people. People, they can't fixing your own things. They are failing to do better in their lives. How they can give you a better advice? So you have to be careful. You have to be lonely. No one is coming to save you, guys, if you don't think again about your future. If you don't put your life in order, your kids life in order, your family life in order, you have to be private. Don't tell everyone about your problems. Other people, they don't fix your problems. Other people are enjoying to see you are struggling in your life. That's they want. Even your relatives or your friends, they are enjoying when you are telling them good news. Those people, they can hate. You can see them, guys. The people are not good outside there. Those people you are trusting, you say, I trust this person, I can tell you my good news. That person can pretend like she is happy, but inside, that person is not happy at all. So you have to be careful. You know that a heart of a person is a witch. When a person says in their heart to say maybe those things can't go good in life, or to say bad things in their hearts, guys, a heart is a witch. That's why you see those things you are telling them are not going the way as you are expecting.